Hey Expressions JA YouTube viewers and subscribers, it's your girl Shelly Expressions inviting you to join us this Sunday on Sunday Night Live. This Sunday we'll be talking about the return date of the Bartender, also the update on Lieutenant Stitchy, as well as talking to two new upcoming artists and of course promoting their new song Stamina Daddy.
Hey my girl, come here, tell them what you want.
Me want a stamina that if it's start out me body, no one no man because safi.
And you know me have to leave the best for last. We're gonna talk about the beef between Foota Eye.
Why would you pay if you do a man more to a and what you want? You want when him a give a blow job, no gingivitis, no germs.
And Ramesh.
You put that humble yourself, bro. Cause you know, man. Don't draw me out, brother.
So stay tuned. Come on, join us at Incognito Vacation Stay, or you can join us on the live at 8 p.m. this Sunday. Make it a date, don't be late. Hurry up and put the Sunday dinner counter. No, this Sunday not going to be normal. So see you on Expressions JA's YouTube live. See you.